Karen Chadwick back out here at the Kenwood boat ramp, September 25th, 2020. And this place was totally blocked like it is now for weeks. And then it was sprayed with herbicides, and they either brought in the harvester or the chopper. And the next day and overnight cleared all this out. And day before yesterday, there were no plants in here. And there was just this mucky, sludgy stuff bubbling up, and it stinks so bad. Oh, it's just, that's water underneath that. It looks like mud, but it's rotting vegetation. And it is so gross. And it looks like they've sprayed again, but they didn't spray. You can see where the green plants are out in the run. They didn't spray out there. But these plants have been sprayed. All this water lettuce. So within a week it was completely blocked, sprayed, chopped or harvested, cleared out, and then this muck started building up. And then overnight all these plants blew back in here. As far as you can see, this system is not working. This management plan is for Rodman Reservoir and Kenwood Boat Ramp. It's not working. This is really gross.